Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and today we're going to make a cute little lipstick box. Now, I had a request for this, a few weeks ago, I think, and it just so happens that my daughter is an Avon representative, and they have this new lipstick that I absolutely love. This is called Sparkling Rose, but this stays on. It doesn't dry your lips out. It's moisture, so we're going to put this in there. A lot of people ask me what I use, so just thought I would show you. This is the color. I think it's very, very pretty. Alright, so you're going to start out with a piece of cardstock that is 5 inches by 5 1/4. And on the 5 1/4 side, you're going to score at 1 inch and at 4 1/4. Then you're going to turn it. Okay, then you're going to score at 1/2, 1 1/2, 2 1/2, 3 1/2, and 4 1/2. Now go ahead and fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, so you're going to have something that looks like this. Now you're going to turn it with these 1/2 inch score lines up here and down at the bottom, and you're going to cut away these little squares in the corner. So just cut those away. There and over here on this side. And then just go ahead and wedge a little bit out on that. Just like that. So that's what you have now. Go ahead and put you some adhesive on here. I'm going to use some score tape. Put your adhesive right down here. And we're going to go ahead and fold that over. This is going to be our bottom. So we'll go ahead, fold that over just like that. You'll see that little place that I messed up on the score line is not even going to show anyway. Now you're going to turn it around and you're going to cut up on these score lines on the side. So just go ahead and cut up on all of these. Then when you get to this one right here at the top, you're going to cut that away just like you did that bottom one. Just like that. Okay, so you have something that looks like this. Now let's go ahead up here. This is going to be our little tab that closes it. Let's just go ahead and cut a little bit of a wedge off of each side of that. Just like that. Now you're going to go back and hold it with the bottom, which this is where we folded that up, the bottom closest to you, and you're going to fold these two pieces in. And I'll show you just a minute while we're folding those in. While those are folded in, you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut a little bit of these 3 off. We're just taking out some of that bulk. You don't have to measure it. It doesn't have to be exact. Just cut a little bit of those off. Just like that. Now go ahead and wedge these that you have left. Don't wedge these two, they're folded in. Just wedge the ones that you clipped off. So wedge all of those. So then there's what you have, just like that. These are going to be your tabs. It's going to close up on the side, so we're going to put adhesive on these large ones here. You could use liquid glue. I'm just using this because it's a little bit faster. So I'll put my adhesive there. And then what we're going to do right up here at the top, I'm just going to go ahead and round these corners. You don't really have to because they're going to be on the inside of the box. But I'm just going to go ahead and round them. Yeah, if I can get them in there. Let's see. There we go. Okay. So now there we go, like that. And now we can just close our box up and decorate, and we will be finished. So I'm going to pull one of those off at a time. This is going to fold up. That's going to fold down. And you just put it together just like you would any other box, just like that. So you see, those two tabs are folded on the inside. And then go ahead and take the backing off of this score tape and do the same thing. Fold these tabs in. And then just meet your corners on that one and on that one. Press it down like that. These little tabs right here go down in there to kind of hold that lid up. Sort of hold it up like that. Hold the lid, keep the lid from falling down in there. But we're going to put a little, we're going to put a little finger pull on this, and I'm just going to use my little 1/2-inch circle punch. Just like that. And then we will put our lipstick down in there so it fits perfectly. Pull those little corners in, pull that in, and close it up just like that. And now to decorate it up just a little bit, I made up one of the bows, and I shared this. I shared this file with everybody the other day. I will share it again under my video. It is a Cricut cut file, so if you don't have a Cricut, I don't know that you can cut this, but there are tons of little bow making gadgets out there. Some people can just freehand cut them. You can use just a ribbon if you want. You do not have to do this. I'm just doing this little paper bow because I think it's cute. But just tie a bow with a ribbon and use that. That works just as well. Just decorate it up the way you want to. And then, as I've shown you before, I take my little tool and I put it in there and I kind of fluff my bow up. I like for my little bows to stand up a little bit. Then I have this little piece that goes on the back. So I'm just going to put a little piece of score tape on there. Going to press that right down in the center, and then I have a little purple circle that I punched out of this paper with that little 1/2-inch circle punch. And I'm going to put that right in the center, just like that. And then I'm going to put a piece of bling on here. There we go, there's our circle and our little piece of bling. And then we're going to put this right up here on the top. Now, I know we all have tons and tons of washi tape, right? So what we're going to do is I'm just taking a washi that I have. It's got a little silver decoration on there. And I'm just going to run this washi around it. Gives it a little bit extra embellishment. And it uses up some of my washi. So there you have it. There is a little lipstick holder. You can put a tube of lipstick in there, your favorite color or your friend's favorite color, whatever. And that's a great little gift to, you know, stick on their desk at work, or stick in their little mailbox at work, whatever, something like that. Just, you can put a little sentiment on there, you know, for me to you, because, something like that. But I think they're super cute. They're easy to make. You can make tons of these out of one sheet of cardstock. And that is it, guys. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when that little bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we do a new video. And we will talk to you guys later. Let me know in the comments what type of lipstick you use. And I'm also going to leave my daughter's website down below in case you want to order some of this lipstick. It's very inexpensive, but it's one of the best that I have used, and I have used some of the really expensive kinds. So, but I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.